Reset it. All right, so we are right now, where are we? Is this Jonesboro, Louisiana? I believe?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, I believe we're in Jonesboro, Louisiana in some heavy rain. Storms are brewing. Just filled up the old RAV4. Me and David here chasing today for Vortex Productions. Here's the rig today. Yeah, so storms are currently building just to the southwest of here. We're trying to get in position, get downstream of them, let them build up, let them get going, and then hopefully by the time they reach us, they'll be dropping tornadoes. So that's our plan right now.
45. Sorry, 145.
145. Anyways, yep, that's the update. Peace.
See you soon. Okay, time is 2:10 CDT.
What town is this?
Let me find that real quick. We are north of Winfield, just by a little bit.
There's a good chance we're not supposed to be here, but I don't think anyone's gonna care that much if they just pull around.
Oh yeah, people are looking.
Let's try not to get shot. Challenge.
Oh wait, this actually might be restricted. I don't know.
If we get yelled at, we get yelled at. I think it's worth it. Was that is that inflow?
That could be inflow. Yep.
Well, this is the best we're gonna get, really.
Yeah.
Oh, whoops. There we go.
Oh, there's a parking lot over there. Oh, that's allowed. Yeah, turn around. We can go to that parking lot, and we get a better view because, yeah.
Just one tornado warning.
Oh,
it's
shit!
just a tornado warning.
Yeah!
That was cursed. Anyways, where's the parking lot? This way?
Yeah, that one.
This?
Yes.
It just went fucking tornado warned.
Nice.
Oh,
all right.
okay,
Time
okay.
is 2:11. Tornado warned for. Let's see. Radar indicated. Expires 48 minutes, and hail is less than 0.75 inches.
About this?
Yes. So I can find some spot.
I probably can't go too much further up this way.
Is this someone's house?
This road. I don't know. I'm just driving until I get yelled at.
I usually pull out over there. That's yeah. This was someone's house. Oops.
Whoops. Anyways.
Yeah, we're about to hear sirens then. And Max Archer's typing.
Yes. Dude, we're on this.
Let's go. Bro, Max let us cook.
Alright, I say we just pull off here. So
Oh, dude, we fucking kicked ass.
Yes.
Pull off halfway off onto the half on the grass.
Yep, half on the grass.
Stop.
Okay.
Perfect. All right, get your camera. Yes! Yes! Oh my god, it's warm!
Is it warm?
Yes!
Oh! Oh!
Not too loud, not too loud. We don't want to draw attention.
New clip. Okay, time is currently 2:13 p.m. We are just north of Winfield, Louisiana. And we are looking at a tornado warned supercell right in front of us.
First of the day.
First tornado warning of the day, and we're on it.
Yes, sir.
Extremely tight couplet. We have a great view. Dog, I could not think of anything better than this.
Go Navigator!
Oh, do I time lapse it? Do I time lapse?
Yes, yes. That's on the verge, that's on the verge. We keep going, fly. What the fuck do we want to do? Fuck, now I gotta navigate for real. On the fly, let's see if I can do it.
Let's see, this is still radar indicated, right? Dude, those people were tight on that.
Oh yeah.
Radar indicated. Do you wanna... I want to go north to try and get a view, but I don't know if that's a good idea.
Hold on, hold.
Might have to ditch the hut.
All right. Turn around. Actually, fuck. Okay. All right, go south. Turn right.
South?
Now.
Why?
Trust me.
Do you want to go for that?
No, go.
Why?
Trust me. We're gonna go south, and we're gonna cut back east, and then we're gonna get a view at something I'm looking at with a massive plot of land.
Yeah, we've got winds. All right, just tell me where.
Yep, keep going. I'm watching.
All right, you're my navigation now. No more Google Maps. Holy crap.
Yep.
That's right over a town, by the way. Yep. Where am I going?
Keep going. Yeah, keep going.
Okay, just tell me where.
Yep. All right. Yeah, I gotta call him.
What did you just call?
Huh?
Just call the actual number. Well, I think it's NWS Shreveport, right?
Should be.
Whiteout conditions here. Where are we here?
We are heading towards currently Dry Pond. We're a little bit out right now, north of it. Time is 3:01 p.m. CDT.
Where did you put it in? An hour?
Yeah, we're going to Harrison Road right now since really we don't need to be trying to catch this storm right now. Destruction merger incoming. There's an LP.
Time right now is 3:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Oh my god.
Absolute whiteout.
Alright. Let's see. Time is 4:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Where are we right now? Somewhere southeast of Jenna, Louisiana. Looking at some sort of storm structure here.
There was potentially on Twitter, someone saw a tornado, said it was brief and weak, had some power flashes across the road in front of them. Still no official report and no warning. It's just severe warning at the moment. Hail core is massive, but we did see in the video, if really anything, there was some bands of RFD, and it was high visibility, weirdly enough. With this massive HP monster, it's weirdly high visibility.
I mean, the inflow notch just cleared out of it, so.
Yeah. We're also looking at around 5, like towards 5 p.m. this environment is going into would really blow up. It's massive influx of vorticity. What was it, Cape or just?
It's just backed winds, according to Mr. Capbus Chasing. Yeah, apparently winds are much better back to the east, and so therefore this dominant cell is moving towards a much better environment in terms of photograph and producing a tornado.